Hello all, welcome to episode 2 of writing command line applications in D. Today we will be writing a bit more complicated application called tail. Tail is similar to head in that it prints out n number of lines from stdin and back out to stdout. The difference is instead of printing the first n lines, it prints the last n lines. So we are going to write tail.d. and let's put it side by side to compare it with, or no, module, we'll make the module tail, and we'll import std.stdio, and the same std.conf, doesn't matter, in order. If we say main is a string args, and just like last time we will have long n lines, is equal to args1.toLong. This one we will be using an array and its new constructor in order to get n number of lines. By default, the string array will be empty, so it'll print out a bunch of empty strings. So if we say our string array lines is equal to new string and lines, you can crash this easily by giving it a big number, but we're not going to worry about that yet. You can say for each line in lines, write line. So what this will do if we compile it, tail.d, this is not completed yet. It will, have to give it an argument. It will just print out nothing by default. We can say lines is appending hello or something like this. And if we compile and run again, it'll say hello. We can remove from the beginning and add to the end of lines fairly cheaply. So if I say while not eo or stdin.eof, what this will do is loop until we have run out of standard input to give, or the user has canceled standard input with the control D. That's an ANSI escape code. You can just say lines is equal to lines 1 to end, and before that we'll say lines is concatenated with stdin.readline. This, if we compile it, is our mostly complete program. So if we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hit Control C, what we will get is the last few lines. If we say ls and pipe that into tail, let's give it the last 5. We have a bug, folks. We have a bug, our first bug. This is a linking error. I didn't have LD. We want LS. See, you gotta get your commands right. It'll give us 4 lines. If we say, maybe give it one more, so n lines plus 1, this will give us our n number of lines. Yes. So far, so good in our command line adventures. We can say tail1, which will give us just the last empty line. We can combine these together, so we can say tail5, head1, which will just give us this entry, the 5th from last, and only one of them. We are going to, next episode, write a combined tail and head function that accepts, it will cut from some number to some number. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.